Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I am excited to share with you the top 5 best body scrubs for women. With so many different options available, choosing the right body scrub can be a bit overwhelming. That's why I've done the research for you and put together a list of the best body scrubs from trustworthy brands. Whether you're looking for a gentle exfoliation or something more invigorating, these body scrubs offer a range of benefits to leave your skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and glowing. So, if you're curious to learn more about the best body scrubs for women in 2023, including their prices and features, be sure to watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. 100% Natural Arabica Coffee Scrub with Organic Coffee, Coconut and Shea Butter. Best Acne, Anti-Cellulite and Stretch Mark Treatment, Spider Vein Therapy for Varicose Veins and Eczema. 10. Oz.Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing one of the most talked about body scrubs on the market, the 100% Natural Arabica Coffee Scrub with Organic Coffee, Coconut, and Shea Butter. This scrub is a powerhouse of ingredients that can benefit your skin in multiple ways, from reducing the appearance of cellulite to combating premature skin aging. It combines the best quality organic coffee grounds with skin-soothing organic coconut oil and sea salt to create an extra exfoliating kick. Simply massage the scrub onto the affected area, and it may help in reducing the appearance of cellulite. This is a better experience than any cellulite cream. It may also help lighten the appearance of dark circles under your eyes. The Cacao Coconut Shea Butter Sugar Facial Scrubs formula is specially designed to target stretch marks and spider veins, while boosting your skin's antioxidants. The caffeine in the coffee scrub may also help reduce the appearance of varicose veins, while the Dead Sea Salt Body Scrub helps to lighten scars and tighten skin. So, if you're looking for professional results and full-on pampering without straining your budget, then this 100% Natural Arabica Coffee Scrub 10 ounces with organic coffee, coconut, and shea butter is the perfect choice for you. And it also makes for a great coffee gift for both men and women. So, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment below. Check the description for links to the product. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Number 2. Frank Body Cacao Coffee Scrub, 7.05 ounces natural and cruelty-free exfoliating body scrub. Smells like chocolate. Hydrating vegan skincare scrub to smooth and moisturize skin. Guys, today I want to talk about the amazing benefits of the Cacao Coffee Scrub. This scrub is perfect for those looking for a natural vegan solution to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks, and for anyone looking for a hydrating body scrub that smells amazing. The Cacao Coffee Scrub is made with ethically sourced roasted coffee grinds that leave your skin feeling soft and looking perky. The addition of organic cacao extract is the sweet spot of the scrub, providing an antioxidant-rich solution to nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving you with a healthy glow. But the benefits don't stop there. The Cacao Coffee Scrub also contains cold-pressed macadamia oil, which is intense and non-greasy, and keeps your skin hydrated long after use. And last but not least, the cold-pressed sweet almond oil is the icing on top, gently fading the appearance of scars and marks, while providing an extra layer of protection. In conclusion, if you're looking for a body scrub that will give you amazing results and make you smell delicious, then the Cacao Coffee Scrub is the way to go. It's a perfect solution for anyone looking to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks, or anyone looking for a hydrating body scrub. So why not try it today and see the results for yourself? Number 3. Lavender Oil Body Scrub Exfoliator with Shea Butter and Grapefruit Oil by Majestic. Pure Exfoliate and Moisturize Skin, Fights Acne. 10 Oz. Today, I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the Majestic Pure Lavender Scrub. If you're someone who's looking for a natural and pure product to enhance your skin's appearance, then you've come to the right place. The lavender in this scrub has so many amazing benefits for your skin. It helps reduce the signs of aging such as dark circles, wrinkles, and fine lines. It also helps moisturize and freshen up the skin for a youthful appearance. The aroma of lavender is one of the most popular, and it's not just because of its sweet and delicate floral scent. It has a calming effect that can help enhance your mood and bring up your positivity levels. It is also of the highest quality and perfect for various self-care, aromatherapy, and gifting requirements. Lastly, Majestic Pure is ethically sourced and cruelty-free. The products are made or packaged in the USA, and they're not tested on animals. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Majestic Pure Lavender Scrub. I love that it's natural, pure, and free from harmful chemicals. It's the perfect addition to my self-care routine, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for a high-quality, natural exfoliating scrub. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product or if there's anything else you'd like me to review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye. Number 4. Au Naturals Exfoliating Lemon Oil Dead Sea Salt Deep Cleansing Face and Body Scrub. Anti-cellulite tones, helps oily skin, acne, ingrown hairs and dead skin remover. Essential oils, sweet almond 18 Oz. Looking for an all-natural way to exfoliate your skin? Look no further than this exfoliating skin scrub from Au Naturals. Featuring dead sea salt, this face and body scrub will help get rid of dead skin and other debris from your skin's surface and pores. Not only is it an excellent exfoliant, but it also acts as a cellulite massager. The essential oils in the scrub help to reduce cellulite, leaving your skin refreshed and smooth. And with the addition of lemon oil, this scrub is a deep cleansing powerhouse. For those with acne-prone skin, the mint oil in this scrub soothes and balances oil production, making it the perfect back acne scrub or body scrub for acne. And for those looking to reduce the signs of aging, the antioxidant-rich essential oils in the scrub can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to radiant, refreshed skin with this Dead Sea Salt Exfoliating Skin Scrub from Au Naturals. Number 5. Organic Fiji Coconut Oil Infused Exfoliating Sugar Scrub for Face, Body, Foot and Skin. Lemongrass Tangerine 20 Oz. In this video, I want to share my thoughts on the Organic Fiji Organic Cold Pressed Coconut Oil Body Scrub. This scrub is made with the purest and all-natural ingredients, which is why I was really excited to try it out. Organic Fiji uses USDA-certified organic cold-pressed coconut oil from its private reserve plantation for this body scrub, which is the main active ingredient in this product. It's raw, cold-pressed, extra virgin, and organic, so you can trust that it's free from harmful chemicals such as GMOs, gluten, phthalates, sulfates, parabens, and animal testing. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, which helps protect your skin from damage, and also provides anti-aging benefits. It helps to keep your skin young and vibrant, and after using this scrub, your skin will look and feel years younger. The natural exfoliant in the scrub makes it perfect for even the most sensitive skin of all ages, and it can be used on your body, feet, hands, lips, and face to help alleviate dry skin. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Organic Fiji Organic Cold Pressed Coconut Oil Body Scrub. It's made with only the purest, all-natural ingredients, and it's an amazing way to keep your skin looking and feeling young and vibrant. I highly recommend giving this scrub a try if you're looking for a high-quality, all-natural, and effective body scrub.
Thank you for tuning in to this review video. I hope you found it informative and helpful in making a decision about the product. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you have any questions or comments about the product, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback and continue the conversation. To get your hands on this product, check out the links in the video description. Your support helps me create more content like this, so I appreciate every click and purchase. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.